Hello everyone, here we have a walk-in cooler. The customer told me that the temperature was 20 degree since last night. So when I came here, I saw that nothing is working. Evaporator and compressor is not working. So I started troubleshooting here, and I saw that here we have 400 volt here, 230, and the other cable we didn't have any voltage. So I'm looking after the fuse, and I saw that this fuse is not working, and I changed the fuse that is 16 ampere. Now everything is working. So the temperature is around 15 degree at the moment, but I was troubleshooting to see if I can find what is the cause of this fuse that is not working. So I turned off the voltage, and then I started to see if it grounded. This contactor and this contactor is grounded, so I think we have to change both of these contactor. But at this moment we don't have time to change them, but it's working at the moment, so we have to wait until Monday. Today is Saturday, so as you see here, we have evaporator -7, condense is 40, and discharge is 75 K. We had a subcooler around 5, which is good, but the super is not the best, but we can get the temperature we need. So we're going to wait until Monday and maybe change those contactors so they don't have the same problem again. So yeah, thank you so much.